In the last video, in the day 2, we studied about 1 mark question. In this video, let us discuss with the 2 marks question. Question number 41. Write the standard form of linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial. As I said during the playlist, linear polynomial can be written as bx plus 6. Quadratic polynomial can be written as ax square plus bx plus c. Question number 42. Find the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. It is asked in your examination, these 2 questions. Here it is nothing but by using the prime factorization method, you can split here. So 6x square into minus 3 can be written as minus 18x square. If you split, you will get minus 9x into 2x minus 7x. So that only you have to write here. Then 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Again, you can split this 4 product separately, this 2 and this 2. Then you can write 3x into 2x minus 3 plus 1 into 2x minus 3. You can group 2x minus 3 and 3x plus 1. So if you solve 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to plus 3 by 2 or x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So this is the 2 product of the zeros of the polynomial by using prime factorization. By using the method of the polynomial here. Question number 43. Find the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 4x square minus 4x minus 3. This is asked in your April examination 2019. Again, split it out. Minus 12x square can be written as minus 6x into 2x. So you can write 4x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 3. So again, by splitting 2x into 2x minus 3 plus 1 into 2x minus 3. Again 2x minus 3 and 2x plus 1 you can write. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you can write x is equal to 3 by 2 or x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Question number 44. If the sum of the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then find the product of zeros 2. Then prove that b plus c is equal to 5. First, by using the formula alpha plus beta can be written as minus b by a, that is minus 3 by 1. Then you will find out the value of b is equal to 3a. Take it as equation 1. Then product means alpha into beta can be written as c by a. You can write 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, you can write c is equal to 2a. So take it as equation 2. By adding equation 1 and 2, you can write the general equation as b plus c minus 5. This is regarding question number 44. Question number 45. In question number 45, we have if alpha plus beta are 2 zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5, then find the value of alpha into alpha square plus beta square. So this type of questions are very most important. It will be regularly asked in your examination, which may be asked like this also. Same question can be asked and they can tell you to prove the or find the value of 1 plus 1 divided by alpha square or 1 plus alpha square. This type of questions are regularly asking in your examination. So don't forget to practice this type of questions, students. Okay, let us solve question number 45. Here, if alpha plus beta are 2 zeros of the p of x is equal to x square plus 5, x square minus 4x plus 5, then find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So first find the values of the sum of the polynomial and product of the polynomial, then just substitute in the values here. Here a square plus b square formula you can use. That is a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2 into a plus b. By putting the substitution the value, you will get 6 as the answer here. So this is regarding question number 45. Question number 46. If alpha plus beta are the 2 zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 1, then find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So this type of questions I have said you already. Here, first you have to find sum of the polynomial, then product of the polynomial. Again, by using the given here, 1 divided by alpha plus 1 by alpha can be written as alpha plus beta divided by alpha into beta. Then you know the formula or you know the values. Minus 3 divided by 1 is nothing but product and the sum. By cancelling, you will get minus 3 only. So this is regarding question number 46. First you have to find the sum and product of the polynomial. After that, what value you have to calculate, that you have to consider. Question number 47. If alpha and beta are the two zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 1, then find the value of alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. Again here, p of x can be written as x square plus 3x plus 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 1 in this equation. Sum of the polynomial can be written as minus 3, product of the polynomial can be written as 1. By substituting the value here, alpha square beta plus beta square alpha can be written as, here alpha and beta is common, I can write alpha into beta into alpha plus beta. By substituting the value, you will get 1 into minus 3 as the answer. So this is regarding question number 47. So question number 45, 46 and 47 is very important. So practice this type of questions. Question number 48. In question number 48, one of the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square minus 6x plus k is twice the other. Find the value of the k. So here what it is given, p of x is equal to 2x square minus 6x plus k. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the p of x. From data you can write beta is equal to 2 alpha. It is given twice, right? That's why. Sum of the polynomial can be written as alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. You will get, if you know the sum of polynomial, that is alpha plus 2 alpha is equal to minus into minus 6 by 1. So alpha plus 2 alpha is nothing but 3 alpha. Minus into minus 6 by 1 is nothing but 6 only. So 3 alpha is equal to 6. So alpha is equal to 2. 3 ones are 3 2s, so I can cancel. Product of the polynomial also can be written as alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Here the value of the beta is given as 2 alpha. So is equal to k by 1. So 2 alpha square is equal to k. In alpha you can substitute as 2. So 2 into 2 square is equal to k. Therefore k is equal to plus 8 is the answer here. So this is regarding question number 48. Next question. Question number 49. The sum and the product of the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to ax square plus bx minus 4 are plus 1 by 4 and minus 1. Here the products are also given. We have to find the value of a and b. So by using sum and product of the polynomial, we can solve this problem. So take this question as homework and comment the answer below. So take this as homework. Question number 49. Question number 50. Find the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Here by factorizing you can write x square minus 6x plus x minus 6. So x into x minus 6 plus 1 into x minus 6, you can write the product. So you will get two product here, x minus 6 and x plus 1. By writing equal to 0, you can write x is equal to 6 and x is equal to minus 1. These are the two product here. Again in question number 51 also, find the polynomial whose zeros are root 3 and minus 50. It is given vice versa. Here I have to take first one as alpha, second one as value as beta. By using formula alpha plus beta, root 3 plus minus of root 3 can be written as root 3 minus root 3 is equal to 0. Product alpha into beta can be written as root 3 into minus root 3 is equal to minus root 9 is equal to minus 3. So by using the equation p of x is equal to x square minus 0x minus 0, you can write p of x is equal to x square minus 3 as the answer. So this is regarding question number 50 and 51.